Every phone is not made for everybody. The biggest mistake people make is buying a phone because it's cheap and expecting flagship performance. So instead of talking about every specification on the TECNO Pop 20, let me answer one simple question. Who is this phone actually made for? If you're a student whose daily routine is mostly WhatsApp, Google Classroom, YouTube, Chrome, taking lecture notes, and occasional TikTok, the TECNO Pop 20 can comfortably handle those tasks. Just don't expect heavy gaming or intense multitasking. If you're buying a phone for your mom or dad, chances are they don't need a 120Hz display or powerful gaming processors. They want a phone for calls, WhatsApp, Facebook, watching videos, banking apps, taking family pictures. For those everyday tasks, the Pop 20 makes a whole lot of sense. If someone is buying their very first Android phone, they don't necessarily need something expensive. The Pop 20 gives them a chance to learn Android, use social media, browse the internet, and install essential apps without spending too much. This is probably one of the strongest reasons to buy the TECNO Pop 20. Maybe your main phone is an iPhone or a flagship Samsung, but you need another phone for a second SIM, business WhatsApp, banking, traveling. Instead of risking your expensive phone everywhere, the Pop 20 can serve as a dependable backup, right? Now, who shouldn't buy it? This phone is probably not for you if you play games like Call of Duty Mobile regularly. You edit videos on your phone. You keep 30 apps open at once. You expect premium camera quality. You want a phone that will still feel fast after several years of heavy use. In those cases, you will likely be happier spending more on a higher tier device. Now, this is my final verdict. The TECNO Pop 20 isn't trying to compete with premium smartphones, and that is okay. If you are buying it for the right reasons, you'll probably be satisfied. But if you're expecting flagship performance from an entry-level phone, you're setting yourself up for big-time disappointment. The key isn't whether the phone is good or bad. It is whether it is the right phone for you. So tell me, if someone gave you money today to buy a phone, will you choose the TECNO Pop 20 or something else? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.